Start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets in this loop. Once you're done, pull up this yarn in to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, this one. And while making the slip stitch, change to the other color. Secure yarn properly. Next round, chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 1 double crochet cluster in the stitch. Start off with a double crochet, but do not finish this stitch. Repeat it 2 more times. Four loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 cluster stitch made. Chain 1 and now repeat this all around. 1 double crochet cluster and take this yarn ends along with the working yarn. Four loops, yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 stitch complete. Chain 1 and repeat this all around. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this cluster stitch, and while making the slip stitch, change back to this color. Next round, chain 5. 1 single crochet on the next cluster. Repeat this all around. Chain 5. 1 single crochet on the next cluster. Once you reach the end, chain 3 and 1 double crochet in this first chain. That's the connecting stitch made. Now continue making the chain stitches. Chain 5, 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Repeat this all around. At the end of this round, chain 5 and slip stitch on top of this double crochet, and while making the slip stitch, change back to this color. Next round, slip stitch into this space and chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. 6 double crochets in the stitch. Now repeat this all around. 6 double crochets in each and every space. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and while making the slip stitch, change back to this color. Next round, chain 5. Skip 2, 1 and 2 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this. Chain 5, skip 2, 1 single crochet. At the end of this round, chain 3 and 1 double crochet to this first chain space. That's a connecting stitch, same as this one. Chain 5, 1 single crochet into this next chain space. Repeat this all around. Chain 5, 1 single crochet. At the end of this round, chain 5 and slip stitch into this double crochet, and while making the slip stitch, change back to this color. The last round, slip stitch into this chain space, chain 1, this won't be counted as a stitch, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochets, chain 2 and 5 more double crochets in the same space. And the last stitch, 1 single crochet. Now repeat this in each and every space, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochets, chain 2, 5 more double crochets, and the last stitch, 1 single crochet. Repeat this all around, and once you reach, then slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.